Hello guys, let's wrap up the most important post-mortem artifacts which are named ones very quickly within minutes. So what do you mean by post-mortem artifact? Any change in a dead body which is physiologically unrelated to cause of death, that we all know. So what are the named artifacts? One of the named artifacts is tachynoir. What is tachynoir? If the eyes of the person were open at the time of death, at about 3 to 4 hours, what you can see is due to drying of sclera, yellow colored triangular areas in the sclera part of eye, and gradually as dust particle settles, this yellow color will change into reddish and blackish color change. So tachynoir is one of the post-mortem artifacts. This has nothing to do with cause of death. Then in relation to handling of a dead body, we know fracture of C6, C7 vertebra can occur in a dead body due to handling from stretcher to stretcher, and this fracture of C6, C7 is sometimes referred to as undertaker's fracture, another named post-mortem artifact. Then come to asphyxial death topic. There we have learned now that in relation to any asphyxial death, if neck is opened first without opening the head, means without removing the brain, what can happen is extravasated blood from the brain area can come over anterior part of cervical vertebral regions. This was discovered by Prinsloo and Gordon. So this is another artifact, Prinsloo and Gordon artifact. So these are the three named ones. Then come to few others in relation to ballistic topic. Another one is Kennedy phenomena. What is Kennedy phenomena? This is also artifact. Surgical alteration of gunshot wounds, which was done by the doctors. This has nothing to do with cause of death. And the last named one is Rayalaseema phenomena. In relation to one of the autopsy cases in Rayalaseema, which is a region in Andhra Pradesh. So there what happened was, very amazingly, the accused, what they did was to mislead the findings, they placed bullets inside an abdominal stab wound. So because this happened for the first time in one of the autopsy cases in Rayalaseema, this artifact was named as Rayalaseema phenomena. Just a quick recap. Tachynoir, undertaker's fracture, fracture C6, C7, then Prinsloo and Gordon artifact, PG artifact, and ballistics mein, we remember Kennedy phenomena and Rayalaseema phenomena. So stay tuned for more such updates and keep on working hard. Bye-bye.